Get fit and overcome obstacles. 2 principles to help you crush your fitness goals. In case you're like me, the quest to be in form and control weight feels overwhelming. And, as though the hunt to be healthy isn't tough sufficient. There's often other barriers to conquer: health problems, time management, mustering up courage or power. Even in case you've been exercising for a long time, there's usually new boundaries to be damaged. So, how to put all of this into attitude? Consistent with Tom Turner, Executive Liaison for the Spina Bifida affiliation, that's precisely it, Angle. And additionally, in line with him, there's no mountain too high to climb. Tom could recognize. Paralyzed from the waist down in view that birth, he's now 35 and trains approximately 3 times a week. In reality, he tells me, he just couldn't get along without workout. So in my quest for the last phrase on overcoming obstacles in health, Tom sat down with me and together we got here up with 3 simple concepts that will help break down fears and intimidations whilst striving to attain fitness desires. In any case, if he can exercise on an everyday foundation, shouldn't that be encouragement sufficient for everybody to present it a shot? Precept number 1: flow into the fear. Train your thoughts to accept as true with no mountain is simply too high or any aim is simply too tough to attain, Tom tells me. Basically, it's all about assembling your fears and going through them head on. In this principle, intention to apprehend your fears, well known them after which flow through them. Ask yourself, what's it that makes you uncomfortable? Have you ever permit yourself get out of shape and are afraid you'll in no way get again? Do you have gotten harm that's precipitated you to be frightened of your body? If you may visualize creatively, then you could put your fears in, take a look at. See yourself as you'd want to be. Consider. Your frame loves you and has the capacity to heal itself to perfection. Your best task is to agree with it and listen. Q. What's your frame pronouncing to you? 2. Trust your instinct. It is vital whilst overcoming barriers and studying to break via boundaries that you begin to pay attention to the nevertheless small voice of your frame. In most cases, all of us need the comfort of having a person telling us what we will and cannot do. But, our maximum fact lies within us. This isn't always to say that the good opinion of others isn't always vital. But ultimately the selection making comes from within, whilst facing a task or an impediment appearance to how you sense. What are your instincts telling you? Frequently it's far virtually your instinct with the intention to pass you into a brand new mindset and lift your focus. I wasn't approximately to permit the wheelchair stand in my way, Tom tells me. In fact, he says he needed to merely trade his perspective approximately it. He says he first needed to learn about what his regulations were, then create a boundary for himself. All of us have limitations, he tells me. Regardless if a person can stroll or now not, obstacles are as specific as people themselves. Therefore, it's first satisfactory to realize your limitations. Subsequent, Tom tells me he goals to fulfill the one's obstacles. I first attain as high as I can in the confines of what I am capable of do. Whether it's extra sets, reps or extra persistence. I allow myself as lots time is vital to accomplish my small dreams. It constantly surprises me, with small steps, how speedy I can attain a large goal. In the end, by incorporating these principles into your fitness journey, you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles and stay on track towards reaching your goals.